I'm headed to a location in the sizzling hot West Loop that's across the street from Ariano's Grocery and Mary Barthelme Park, and 2 short blocks from Randolph Street's Restaurant Row, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished, short-term apartments at the full amenity Porte. Porte has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The well-equipped fitness center has cardio and strength training equipment and a separate yoga studio. Porte's sunset deck has skyline views and an adjacent 17th floor lounge. The 3rd floor lounge has a gaming area, a media area with a large screen TV, and a kitchen dining area. The lounge is open to a rambling outdoor deck with a pool and grilling areas. A ground level bike room has a workstation and direct outdoor access. Porte is pet friendly, and there's a popular dog park across the street. In the south tower, looking out through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades over the pool deck, and Mary Barthelme Park right across the street. Turning into an open-plan living dining kitchen area, high ceilings, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, comfortable furnishings, large screen TV above a chest of drawers, looking at an L-shaped kitchen, 42-inch upper cabinets, 4-burner gas range with a range hood, an attractive tile backsplash, built-in dishwasher, countertop microwave, and since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, it's kitted out with everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Countertop appliances, dishware, cookware, cutlery, glasses, and a goodie bag with drinks and snacks. Turning toward the sleeping area, set up with a queen-size bed, nightstand. Looking back at the entryway, it's a home office desk, a very stylish bath with a wide vanity, soaking tub, tile up to the ceiling, white contrasting with dark tile on the floor. We have black designer fixtures throughout, and as you would have walked in, it's a walk-in closet with full-size front-loading washer-dryer, cleaning essentials, and extra towels and linens. Sweet Home is a variety of apartments at Porte, set up with everything so you only need to bring your suitcase. The building has a terrific close-to-everything location, fabulous suite of amenities, and sweet deals from Sweet Home. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.